Hello traders and welcome back to the Market Crux. Yet another small video today. This is Diwali special portfolio which you can build for the next 1 year plus, and I have handpicked these 12 stocks which you can put into your portfolio. You can do your self study with these stocks and invest as per your convenience. Also, I have shared 12 stocks. Ideally, I do share 10 stocks every year, but then this time it is 12 so that you can pick any 10 out of these or even all 12. Expected is that you will be putting equal weightage for all the stocks, which means basically whatever capital you have to invest, you can invest equal 12 parts in these stocks. I have already provided this particular list and the link you can get into the description box below this video for this list. This will be a live portfolio which you can check at any point of time with the real-time performance basically. Over here it will show you the absolute return, and if you can see right now it is showing you 7.15% return, which means basically these stocks have been picked, but then the price on which you need to enter or buy is slightly below the current market price basically. So not necessarily we will be entering like all other recommended, if you see everywhere people are recommending the current market price, but then what I have done is I have choose a stock basis on their fundamental as well as technical parameters for which they looks good for next 1 year as an investment, but not necessarily on the current price. So we will be waiting for retracement or finding a support area where we will be buying these stocks. So if you see buying price is slightly less than the current market price, and the reason is that we will be waiting for these prices to come, and then we will be start accumulating these stocks in our portfolio basically. So that's the idea. You will be able to see live profit and loss every day over here. Also absolute points, how many points you have gained on these stocks basically, what is the percentage of target which we are looking for from the buying range basically. So this is also another important parameter for which stock what kind of upside is expected in next 1 year or 12 months time frame. And also you'll be finding fundamental and technical uh, parameters over here. So I have provided links for all the fundamental and technical parameters which you can check yourself for these individual scripts. There are some key differences from the last year and previous years basically. So if you see over here, I am not putting any of the IT stocks in the portfolio for next 1 year. Given the situation of the US markets and US and Europe's political economical situations, it will be going to be a difficult time for export oriented stocks basically. Hence we are not putting any IT stocks in the portfolio. If you see over here, I got two from banking stocks, both the Pioneer banks, ICICI and Axis, as in good upside visibility for these stocks. Then one from the finance sector, that's CAMS. We got one from consumer services, Indian Hotel. Then from one is from ITC, is from FMCG segment basically. Then we got two stocks from chemicals, Deepak Nitrite over here, and Gujarat Fluorochemicals Limited. These two from the chemical sector. Then I got one from Retail DMart, is one of my long-term portfolio stock, and I every time recommend this. This you can very well accumulate this year also for about 25% gains from 4080 entry price. Then we got one from the metals, APL Apollo, which is again last year also I recommended, and this was the top performer from the last year's list actually. So it will be carried forward for next year as well. I got one from the cables, and again the Pioneer Polycab. Then one from the steel sector, that's Maharashtra Seamless. These are the 12 picks, and you got all the levels. You can put your feedback into the comments below. If you have any more queries, we can sort them out. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel for all forthcoming videos on various topics. The Market Crux is for you. Let's stay connected for next year, and let's have some rocking performances. You can always join my Telegram channel as well for daily trade ideas, and let's connect again in the next video. Thank you all for watching.